Information Fluency Framework is a learning progression that focuses on students' ability to critically think while engaging with, creating, and utilising information and technology, regardless of the platform or medium. The progression is a series of outcomes from early stage 1 or foundation through to stage 6 or year 12. It is organised within 5 elements, sub-elements, and then outcomes. The outcomes within each element are viewed through the lens of interacting with information in 2 ways. As consumers, where students access information for their specific learning needs, which involves knowing how to locate and manage their information needs as users of the information. And as creators, where students use the information they have developed in the consumer strand and create a knowledge product or new information as a creator. In the social strand, students learn with and from diverse groups of people. This element combines interpersonal and social knowledge and skills. It involves students learning to value and view critically their own perspectives and practices and those of others through interactions with people and information. In the literate strand, students create and communicate an understanding of information through texts. This involves students needing to access, understand, analyse and evaluate information, make meaning, express thoughts and emotions, and present these ideas and opinions, and interact with others and participate in activities at school and in their lives beyond school. In the innovative strand, students generate and implement new and useful ideas. They learn to think innovatively, which involves students learning to generate and apply new ideas in specific contexts, seeing existing situations in a new way, and identifying alternative explanations. In the critical strand, students evaluate and use information to reflect and solve problems. This critical element contains skills from critical thinking and personal capability from the general capabilities. Students with information fluency will consume and create information by being aware of their own cognition, applying logic and carefully selected strategies to evaluate, synthesize, and transfer information into new contexts. In the final element, that of ethical strand, students apply reasoning to consider the influence and impact of information on others. Ethical reasoning is a type of critical thinking that uses ethical principles and frameworks. It is a process of identifying ethical issues and weighing multiple perspectives to make informed decisions. The Information Fluency Framework is a flexible progression that allows educators to determine their student needs and then apply an information process or research flow as a series of capabilities to build for student learning. First steps on the journey with the IFF need you to consider: 1. What does your school community need? Have you determined any gaps in your learning programs? And then 2. As the IFF is broad and deep in how it has been mapped to the curriculum and general capabilities, as well as transformational learning capacity, which element or aspect of the IFF do you think you should focus on first?